Welcome to the ultimate guide to unlocking the power of vidIQ. Top benefits revealed. In this video, we will explore the incredible advantages of using vidIQ to skyrocket your YouTube success. Benefit 1. vidIQ provides real-time analytics, giving you valuable insights into your channel's performance. Benefit 2. With vidIQ, you can conduct competitor research effortlessly. Discover what's working for others in your niche and apply those strategies to your own channel. Benefit 3. vidIQ's keyword research feature is a game changer. Find high-performing keywords that will boost your video's visibility, helping you reach a wider audience. Benefit 4. Say goodbye to manual video optimization. vidIQ automatically suggests tags and optimizations to improve your video's ranking on YouTube search results. Benefit 5. vidIQ saves you time and effort with its bulk processing feature. Easily make changes to multiple videos simultaneously, increasing productivity and efficiency. Benefit 6. vidIQ provides helpful social media insights, allowing you to understand where your YouTube traffic is coming from and optimize your promotional efforts. Benefit 7. With vidIQ's best time to upload feature, you can schedule your videos for optimal engagement, increasing your chances of reaching and connecting with your target audience. So why wait? Start unlocking the power of vidIQ today and take your YouTube channel to new heights. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to succeed on YouTube. Stay tuned for our next video where we dive deeper into the incredible features of vidIQ.